Yo, what's good, y'all? It's a Trail, and usually I have a cameraman for this, but I wanted to just go and show off this robot vacuum. This is a Samsung PowerBot R7040, and it's a great vacuum. Like, I got it maybe around a month ago. Probably too long, though. I got it March 14th, and it's March 31st right now, so that's when I got it, I guess. So you guys probably remember that I was actually showing you guys this on my video. I think it was the Galaxy S10 wireless power share video, but I was saying how my pool table is freshly vacuumed and I was so proud of it. And this is the robot vacuum I was telling y'all about, and I love this thing because if you look at the house right now, it's clean because of this vacuum. I mean, we're getting a new floor soon, but yeah, still. This little thing right here is super convenient. You don't even got to worry about vacuuming the house. It just vacuums for you. We have it on a daily schedule. Well, I set it for that, but it's just really convenient. And to make it more convenient, let me go and show you the price I paid for this. That is all I paid with the 1-day shipping. I think that was a little bit extra, but still. $200 for this, and it was used, so that's the thing. But I didn't really need a brand new vacuum because this worked just fine. So that was $206 for this thing. Alright, so here's the vacuum. So it's a Cyclone Forest PowerBot R7040 by Samsung. We got the screen here too. But yeah, so let's go around the vacuum real quick. So you have Cyclone Forest at the top here. That's where you actually get all your debris and whatever from the floor. You press that button to take it out to put it in the garbage. So you put that down, you open this part up, and then you take that out. And then you slide that out of there. But yeah, so we got a screen here, so it says full, which means obviously the battery's full. So I didn't know that at first because I actually had a full battery with some blinking lights going on still, so I wasn't really sure, but it says full, so now we're good. This right here is my schedule, means it's on. This is the Wi-Fi, this is the battery, and this is actually the suction power. And it's on the remote too, so I have it on the regular power mode, so I could go and turn it up if I want to. But we got a spot clean button here, just in case you need to use that. We got a play and the pause button here to start the vacuum or pause it. And we got the button to bring it back to its charger right here. So that's dope. I really like that it costs only $206 because I think otherwise it would have costed me like $400, which I'm not with that. With $200 I can do, which I did obviously, and like I got it right now, so I'm just liking it, man. And another cool thing I heard about this vacuum that other vacuums struggle with is that the air actually comes out of here. So it doesn't come out the side and start blowing things all over the floor. It's just at the top and it just goes up. Now, I really don't care that much, even though we're getting a hardwood floor soon, so I probably will matter, but like we don't really have that problem with the carpet. On the kitchen floor, I don't know if that would have been a problem, but probably not. But this is the remote here. So this is to turn off the vacuum and turn it on, and this is the base again. I really don't even know what this is for. I really couldn't find out. I don't even know if that's a button. This is normal suction power, this is turbo, and this here is pretty cool. So you can actually use this to actually navigate the robot to where you want it to go. So I'll just hold on to this, make it go left, and hold on to this and make it go right. It's like a little RC car. And then we got spot, repeat, so if you want to go around the house again, it will. We got sound, so if you don't want it to make sounds every time you do something on the vacuum, you can turn that off, I guess. We got a schedule you can set here, which is just easier if you set it on your phone with SmartThings. We got clock, and then we got remote, which I never even figured out what that's for. So it's a little cross out of a phone icon, so I guess we can't use our phone anymore. Okay then, but I really need that. And then clock, I'm pretty sure it's actually set the time on here, so I think that's how it works. I never even said it obviously, but well, yeah, it's there. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you the app. So let me find my Galaxy S8 and check this out. So I actually got it in my notifications for my Galaxy Tab S4, my S8, my S9. It just syncs with SmartThings, so it's just at the top of my phone, which is pretty cool. And it's on iPhones too if you have one, so I guess they got you covered, but I heard it's not the best. I'm not sure how accurate that is. Maybe they improved it over the years, but whatever. Let's just get into this. So here's my home. It's kind of empty, so we got our robot vacuum here. I'm gonna go and just get into that. We got pretty much the same thing as the actual remote, but just in a more clean look, I guess. We got the battery on here. We got the suction power, which like I said, you could just turn on with the remote or this. We got repeat, schedule, and then we got history. So that's pretty cool. I like this one. So it's showing me where it cleaned in my house. So I can see here, this is the living room. This is the kitchen. I think this is over by the bathroom, and then this is another room. That's just cool to me, and it's just useful for me to know where it cleans. So I'm like, did it go to this room or not? And then I just look in the app and see. And it's just useful because it's figuring out your house, and I had like a hard time getting it back to this charger at first, but now it finds the charger kind of easily. So yeah, let's just give this a trial run. So you can go and use this with Bixby or Google Assistant, or you can even use it with Alexa. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. Auto clean. And watch this.
I turned on auto cleaning.
That's just dope. You can use Bixby with this thing and it just, I don't know, it's just useful for me, man. I don't really use it all that much because I have a schedule on, but if I need to use it, I can do that. Or I can tell Bixby to bring it back to the charger, or I can tell it to pause, or whatever I need to do. But with Google Assistant and Alexa, it's just limited, so all you can do is just tell it to turn on and off. But yeah, this is the vacuum right now. It's just been cleaning the house. I don't really remember the last time we actually picked up an actual vacuum because it's just been doing the work. It's just really cool to me because, well, for a couple things, like you can see the edge feature there, so it gets in the edges. It's not all that good, so I do want to say that the edge cleaning could use some work, like definitely like a lot of work, but I mean it's doing something, I guess. But yeah, so it's just a vacuum. It goes all around the house. So this is the living room. It'll go in the kitchen, it'll go in my room, it'll go in the guest room, it'll go in the bathroom, it'll go in all these rooms. And it just does its job when we go about our day. But yeah, so that's the vacuum there. I just want to go ahead and give you a quick little first impressions and everything. Well, I had it for a little bit now, but I'm still getting used to this vacuum. So yeah, my first impressions is, at first I was like, when I first got it, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna end up selling this thing or not, or just returning it. Like, we'll see if I end up keeping it. Well, obviously, I kept the thing because I'm like loving it so far. And then obviously, I gotta show it off when somebody's here. Like, hey, look at this. My vacuum can do that, but yours can't. So, I don't know. I just like doing that to people sometimes. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. But that was pretty much it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Recharge vacuum.
Charging the robot vacuum now.
This is a Chucky Beat production.